how do I point my domain to Crazy Domains hosting? In this video session, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Let's imagine your domain is registered with Crazy Domains and you've actually gotten a web hosting package with them too. I'll cover that example. Also, if your domain is registered elsewhere and now you've decided to use Crazy Domains hosting, I'll show you that example as well. First, if your domain is registered with a different domain name registrar, simply log into that account and find your DNS settings, because we need to update two settings for the domain that is registered elsewhere. One is DNS records and the other one is the name servers. Name servers have to point to Crazy Domains name servers. Usually this is the name server, as in ns1.crazydomains.com, and the other one is ns2.crazydomains.com. Okay, so let's copy this name server and update the name server, as in change the name servers. Okay, the example is this. So basically we've just said, you know what, the domain, whatever the domain name you have, should be using the name servers for Crazy Domains, and then save changes. Let's imagine you're using Bluehost, you registered your domain with them. The same settings apply, as in you need to update both records, name servers and DNS. Okay, so with Bluehost, it's under domains management. Let's imagine DreamHost, it's under manage websites. You will find the DNS settings. Name servers, you need to change that. As in, I'll use my own name servers. Also, we need to update the DNS settings as well. So how do we do that? Because you've got web hosting with Crazy Domains, what you need to do is actually find the management for your web hosting. Because here we will need an IP address that is already given to you with your web hosting at Crazy Domains, okay? Usually under the management of your domain, you will see an IP address, okay? So then let's go and do that. So let's cancel out of that because it's just a tutorial. Here, DNS records for your domain, whoever registered your domain will give you an option to update, as in add a record. You need to place a record, as in type A. Let's put an @ symbol, and the value is the IP address, and then save changes. And then add another record, make that a record as well. Just to be double sure, is just put www, and the value is the IP address, and save all records, okay? So at this point, if your domain is actually registered with a different domain name registrar, all you then need to do is just wait, perhaps a couple of hours or even 24 hours. In fact, I'll show you how to speed that process up as well. But let's imagine this scenario. Let's imagine you've got your domain registered with Crazy Domains, and then you want to now point that domain to your Crazy Domains hosting as well, because that could work for some people. So for you to be able to do that, you log into Crazy Domains dashboard, press on your domain, manage your domain, and here the name servers, obviously you need to make sure that name servers are pointing to Crazy Domains name servers. If it's not done automatically, because you registered your domain with Crazy Domains, this should be like so. But if you've made any changes previously, then you need to update the name servers. And the DNS settings, basically it's the same. All you need to do is make sure that there is an A record pointing to Crazy Domains web hosting IP address. And that's it. As we can see, this is already done here. But if yours isn't, then this is how you point your domain to Crazy Domains hosting. That if you've selected the cPanel option as in Linux hosting, then you can easily create emails, also install popular content management systems such as WordPress to create your new website with Crazy Domains web hosting. Do keep in mind, Rank Your Blog and Rank Your YouTube channel shows you how to install WordPress and create emails and also use Crazy Domains products.